Hi guys, welcome back to Shadow Wagwan Tours. We're here in Portomaso Marina. Check this place out, look. Got the jet skis right behind me. Look at me putting my face in there. We've got the hill in there. Lovely. Super yachts. Let's take a little walk around. If you already watched this video with Sabrina, this is just my version. So if you don't want to see Portomaso again, go watch one of our other videos. But yeah, I'm going to take a little walk. You got the Hilton there, so our hotel is directly behind this. So I wonder what this used to look like before the Hilton was built. Let me know in the comments. Was it different? You can see obviously how the hill is. Was the port different? It looks quite new. It looks very modern. What was this like before all this was developed? I'm going to have to look into it, find some old pictures. I like it when Sabrina says on her videos, oh, I'll just pop something here or pop something there. I'm just like, yeah, you pop it there, then go on. She doesn't do editing, I do editing. So, we've got rush excursions. So basically I've got to walk home, walk back to my hotel. So you guys might as well come with me. Oh wow, can I go up here? What is this to? Out? Exit? I'm not going up there anyway, let's take a walk around. So yeah, I really thought this marina was quite stunning when I came here. When did I come here? Yesterday with Sabrina? Very stunning. Got golf carts taking the people from the hotel where they need to go to, or if it's maintenance. Yeah, there are plenty of jet skis, boats to hire. Yeah, check these yachts out. Oh, my floor just moved when I stood on that, look at that. Keep your belongings safe. I might do one of them, have you noticed like in Tenerife and other places, some of the cheapest places to stay is in someone's boat? I haven't done one yet, but I'm thinking, because I'm a cheapskate, I'm thinking to do one. What is it like? Let me know in the comments if you've stayed on someone's little tiny boat, or if you stayed on one of these. Imagine staying on one of them. Be awesome, wouldn't it? Wouldn't be 70 quid a night though, would it? But yeah, some of the ones I've seen in Tenerife are like 30 quid a night, staying on someone's boat. But I think it's just some little poxy boat with a little chemical toilet maybe, I don't know. It's not really for me. They go on holiday to stay in little dinky places like that. But yeah. Check the boat out, innit? I did think to get a boat a while back. I thought I might go off. But I don't think the sea's for me. And this one. Oh, he's got his door open. Look at that one over there. It's lovely. Reminds me of like, have you ever been to Southampton? I'm born and bred Southampton. Summer mush. But yeah, have you ever been there? There's a place there called Ocean Village. Which reminds me of that. And actually they've done it up now, so it looks a bit more fancier. When I was a kid it was a place where you can go play arcades. Had a shop there. I think it had two different arcades. Like I had a penny arcade and it had a proper arcade. But yeah, we used to go there when we were kids, play games and that. And then they had the boat show every year. That was quite cool. In here yesterday there's all the fish, but you've seen that. Or you can cut to it. See if there's any prices. Full day rate 10,000. Okay. Yeah, full day rate 10,000 on that one. For one of these. So if you're one of our subscribers and you can afford that type of stuff, please get in contact with us. I think we've got a lot of videos we can do together. But for the normal peasants, we'll go back to the Tenerife boats. I'll stay in one of them 30 quid ones. That's the most luxury we can get. Check them stairs out. Look at them. We're about to go up some stairs actually. But there's some long stairs. See how long these ones are. So there goes, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed, subscribe up. 90% of you guys are not subscribed, but you watch the videos, which we appreciate. Check that out. A great view. So, Japanese restaurant up here, sushi bar. Mediterranean cuisine on the left. I'm getting out of breath. Let's stop. Check the view. So we're going to do, we're going to walk to my hotel. Show you where I'm staying. Maybe I'll put a bit of the room tour in this as well. But I've got a full review of my stay coming up. Let's go this way. So yeah, check that one out. If it's up already, if it's not, it'll be up. As you can imagine, I'm a bit out of breath. It's probably like the most exercise I actually get. I'm always editing, always. What I need to start doing is like bulk editing. I stopped doing it for a little while because, you know, when you're learning to edit, every video you do one thing better. If you want to be a better editor of your videos, try to do something better every video. One thing, one minor thing. That would be too big. And then by you've done 200 videos, you're 200 times better off. 200 times better by one video. So definitely put that extra effort in every video. Just one slight thing. Whether it's a nice transition. And yeah. Check this one. This one's like a house shop. It looks it from the outside anyway. I don't need any food though. The hotel breakfast has actually been suffice. We've been to Rhodes. Actually, I didn't have any breakfast at Rhodes. I just had what did I have at Rhodes? Anyway, Marmaris. When I've been to Marmaris turkey twice when I had breakfast included. Damn. Because I don't eat meat, there's hardly anything to eat. But that heat that you get out there in Turkey is something else. I love it. Walking around them roads, sweating your ass off. I'll do it again and again, I will. Check this bar out. Look at the shop deals. Picture, got a picture for $4.90. Got some bread on the wall there. On the door. So, I'm staying here. Just on the left. You've probably seen it. Again, like I said, if the hotel reviews have already come out, you've already seen it. So we're just through there as a canteen, but you can't. You really used to be able to go through there or whatever, I don't know. That door's never open now. Yeah. I'm right here at the Alexandra Hotel. So, right next to, what's it called? The Beggar Inn. The Beggar Inn. And they do 100 shots for, I think it's 35 quid. But, you know what I mean? If it's tequila, that's something else. If it's Sambuca, that's something else. But to me, it looks like some crap, so I'm not drinking that. But yeah, guys, cheers for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the very next video.